Hi students, it's Professor Blevins. I want to welcome you to the Cloud and Big Data class for the August block 2021. It's an intensive 5 nights. We've done it in the past before, so I wanted to give you the opportunity to prepare in advance before you get to campus for this Cloud and Big Data class. I don't normally do this in our 10-week quarter, but for the August block I do, and that is I have put on the course website, which is available to you now, a series of videos in small snippets. One I think is just a few minutes, the longest one is 45. They average about 20-21 minutes total on each subject that we're going to be covering during the 5 nights. And I do this because it sometimes is a huge advantage if you can watch the video in advance. Maybe you've got some time over the summer, maybe some downtime on the beach, and you want to just watch a few videos in advance. Please do so, because hearing it a second time when we come together will help set it in a little bit deeper, and also give you the opportunity to kind of come prepared for our in-class discussion, which is really where a lot of the learning will occur. We've got 2 great cases that will be here as a part of the class. I highly recommend you read them in advance, because reading 2 big cases in 1 week and writing them up and doing all the other work just tends to be a little bit too much. Those cases are out there available for you through the course reader. And if you would, go ahead and start taking notes on them, start making your comments of what you want to do for recommendations, and then when you get together as a student team, which you'll turn those 2 items in as a team project, you're ready to go and can help your teammates quickly come to a joint recommendation. By the way, speaking of teams, I have put a Google Doc sign-up sheet out on the internet. The link is on the course website. Please do go ahead and sign up in advance. And for those 18 or so UCLA Anderson students that are taking this class, I want to encourage you to invite in the participants from our international partner Executive MBA school. We'll have about 25 students joining us from schools around the world, which tends to make the conversation in the class far greater, and I'm very excited to welcome them in. So for those of you that are watching this video from our international partner schools, we look forward to welcoming you to UCLA Anderson, even if it's only on Zoom. My understanding is, due to the situation we still find ourselves in, we will be holding the class in person on the UCLA campus. However, our international students will be joining via Zoom. The great thing about that is I have done a hybrid teaching format in the past through our international program, which I also teach in, as well as some of the incredible technology that we've got in the classroom, which for UCLA Anderson students, that's going to be the new Marian Anderson Hall, G419, one of the newest, most well-equipped classrooms that we have. So I'm looking forward to bringing all that together. Now we'll go through the 5 nights each evening, 6 to 10 p.m., 6:30 to 10 p.m. Pacific time. It does make for an intensive 5 nights. If you're working that week, please absolutely do the pre-work in advance. It'll save you so much trouble and help you get some sleep that week. We'll end the week with a discussion of the simulation. So I've given you a simulation from Harvard Business School that will help you leverage the use of big data sets and make strategic decisions from them. I have gone ahead and given you access now to that simulation, so if you'd like to do it in advance, you're more than welcome to. It is an individual assignment, and we'll discuss that on our last evening class on that Friday night. Now, I've got 5 great speakers lined up. They are industry leaders. Google, Amazon, and Microsoft's cloud service will all be represented. So I know we're going to have a good time, and I look forward to welcoming you to the class on August 16th.